How would you describe current demand for closed-end funds? What's driving the level of interest we're seeing today?
Well, demand can express itself in two ways. One is through a healthy IPO market, and the second is in the secondary market. I'll deal with the second bit first, if you like. Demand has been increasing, and hence we've seen discounts narrow. So there definitely has been some interest in the secondary market. However, the IPO market remains really very challenged. I think there are still issues in terms of pricing from the capital market side, the underwriting side, and that needs to be figured out. But I think in order to see very healthy demand for closed-end funds, we would need to see the IPO market pick up again.
So there's been less IPOs or initial public offerings in the closed-end fund universe for a while. Mostly it's been term trust. And so that has helped improve the demand for the secondary market. And that's partially, in our opinion, why discounts have narrowed. We've also seen that when discounts were wide, some institutional investors and some activist investors came in and did some tenders and pushed some funds to narrow levels, which has been helpful. But I'd say at the end of the day, yields globally are low. The average closed-end fund on the taxable side yields between 7 and 8%, depending on the environment and the sector. But that's a very significant level that a lot of investors are attracted to, both equity funds and bond funds.
There's been strong demand over the last year. And really what's driving that has been investors trying to reach for income a bit. We've been in a low yield environment here for the better part of 8 years. So as people look for income, they will expand beyond the traditional sources of fixed income investments and look to closed-end funds.
Investors need to find income somewhere. As we all know, the baby boomers are entering the retirement phase of their life, and income is a key component of what they're going to be looking for. So I think that's largely behind probably the narrowing of discounts and the increase in demand that we've seen this year, and the expectation I think should be that that'll continue.